Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you the fix of this error which says an error has occurred in the script on this page. I have a fix for this and how to do this. Let's get started. And how to do this, just close this first and then press Windows plus R all together. Once you do this, it will open this run dialog box. You just have to type percentage time percentage here and click OK. Once you do this, it will open this folder. As you can see, temp. Just press Ctrl A on your keyboard and it will select all the files here. You just have to press Shift Delete, or you just delete from here. Uh, you just have to delete from here, or you can press Shift Delete to delete them permanently, and it will delete all the cache files in your system. It maybe says that some files are in use, so don't worry, just skip them and don't worry about that. Once you do that, you have to close everything again and then open your search menu and type disk cleanup on start menu. Once you do this, click on disk cleanup, open this, just check all the boxes you search here, scroll up and down and find all the boxes which are unchecked and check them. Once you do this, click apply and OK, and after that it will clean up all the system files which are temporary and all the cache files. And once it completes, restart your PC and hopefully your problem is solved. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video and help you guide it. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.